This is Frank. We're looking at the engine of a 2005 Toyota Sienna. This is a 3.3 liter V6 3MZ FE. People always ask me, how do I fill my coolant system, where one of the radiator hoses is actually higher than the filler neck? Well, there are a lot of tricks that you can use, but by far the best method is use one of these filler funnels. I'll include a link in the video description. Let me show you how it works. This funnel kit has a range of attachment and caps, so it can fit on a wide range of different makes and models. This funnel makes it very easy to refill the system, and it allows air to bubble out. And you just pour the coolant into the funnel and it bubbles down into the coolant system without any spillage. Once you've filled the coolant system, you can also run the engine with this funnel attached and use it to purge any air out of the coolant system. When we're done pouring coolant in, you use this stopper to plug the funnel, and then the funnel can come right off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.